Are you looking for hassle-free, cozy stay in Hakone with Mount Fuji view? Hi everyone, this is Dashing Adventures, and for today's video, come and join us on our Hakone trip and our stay at Rakuten Stay Fuji-Mi Terrace Hakone Ashinoko. We started our journey at Shinjuku Station. Before boarding the train, we decided to buy our bento boxes so we can eat during the journey. We rode the famous romance car to Hakone Moto Station. By the way, we highly recommend that you also purchase your Hakone Pre-Pass just like what we did because this is super convenient. It covers the trains and buses all the way to Hakone and even during your sightseeing. But just a quick note, if you want to ride the romance car just like what we did, there is a small additional fee, but it's worth it for the comfort and scenic views. You can book the Hakone Pre-Pass through Klook and use my discount code KLOOKHECKLE to get additional 5% off. All seats are reserved in the romance car, and the travel time will take you 80 minutes from Shinjuku Station going to Hakone Moto. Kaya naman, instead of eating at the restaurant for our lunch, we decided to just have our bento boxes and eat our lunch during our travel. It was a great experience and saves us a lot of time. Once we arrived at the Hakone Moto station, we just went outside and nandun na yung bus station that you can ride going to Motohakone. And this bus ride is also covered sa Hakone Pre-Pass. The travel time is about 30 minutes. Upon arriving to Motohakone Bus Stop, it's just a short walk going to the Rakuten Stay. One cool thing about this place is that it's a self-check-in hotel, so there's no reception desk. The management will send you the codes ahead of time, one for the main entrance and another one for your room. We are staying at room 204. This is a one-bedroom with 2 double beds and 1 sofa. Once you're inside, you'll have to complete your check-in in the tablet that is provided. Once you're done, a staff member will confirm via video call. Super easy, modern, and very private. Now, let's have a quick room tour. So upon entering, you will see a place where you can hang your coats. There's also a shoe cabinet where you can keep your shoes, and dito din nakatago yung mga house slippers. Meron din sila ditong provided na linen spray to freshen up your coats. And inside the cabinet, you will see extra beddings that you can use. There is one toilet near the entrance, and of course, automatic siya nag-open, and it has an automatic bidet. And this is the room. It has 2 double beds that can accommodate 4 people. Fully air-conditioned your room, and you can also use this aircon as the heater. At dito naman tayo sa kitchen. Ito yung kanilang sink, provided na din yung dishwashing liquid, sponge, and also hand soap.
Pwede din tayo ditong magluto kasi meron silang tabletop stove.
And inside the drawer, you can see kitchen utensils that you can use to prepare your food. Meron na din ditong dishwasher, kaya naman hindi na ninyo kailangan magturuan kung sino yung assign na maghugas ng pinagkainan. And under the stove naman, merong maliit na parang oven where you can grill your fish or other meats. Inside the drawer naman, makikita nyo yung mga pots and pans that you can use to cook your food. Meron din ditong microwave oven, rice cooker, electric kettle, and Nespresso machine. May mga provided na din na plates and other tablewares that you will use para naman feel at home ang inyong mealtime. Meron na din sila ditong provided na induction cooker that you can use outside sa may balcony if you want hot pot or hot soup. And yung kanilang trash can dito, you have to segregate the trash sa cans, sa bottles, at yung mga burnable. Meron din sila ditong malaking fridge and everything inside is free. Meron na silang pinrovide na sodas, water, alcoholic drinks, meron ding sake, juices, red wine, and also some snacks. Check naman natin ngayon ang dining area at living area. Sobrang welcoming and warm ng vibe ng living area at ang aesthetic din ng mga lights na nakadecor dito. At ang dining area is good for 4 people and pwede mo din itong gamitin as your workstation. And ito naman yung kanilang malaking sofa that you can also use as a bed. Meron din sila ditong provided na projector that you can use to watch movies. This item is very rare na makita namin sa mga staycations or hotels sa pinagstayan namin. This is a telescope provided to dito kasi in the balcony you can use it to watch the stars. Pasok naman tayo sa main bathroom area. Since most of the time long-term yung mga travel namin and winter time pa kami nagbabiyahe, it's very important na merong washing machine itong mga inistayan namin so we can wash our clothes. Ditong sink and all the toiletries are provided dito like the hand wash soap, toothbrushes, mga towels, and even pajamas. Ito na nga ang pinaka-favorite part naming pamilya dito sa Rakuten Stay, our very own private onsen. Sobrang sarap mag-dip dito especially after walking and exploring Hakone area. Panalo din yung view dito because you can see Mount Fuji if it's a clear day. And just beside the onsen is the shower area. Silipin naman natin ngayon ang balcony area. Meron sila ditong provided na foot bath, pwede kayo ditong mag-coffee while nakasoak sa warm water yung inyong paa. Meron din sila ditong provided na grill so you can have samgyeopsal or yakiniku anytime. Provided din nila yung dining table dito sa balcony, kaya naman if you want to eat outside, pwede din. And the best part of the balcony, it's the majestic view of Mount Fuji. Imagine waking up and having your coffee with this kind of view. Ito yung pirate ship kapag nagbabiyahe siya, and also the Torre Gate of the Hakone Shrine. If hindi naman kayo nakabili ng mga items or mga baon na lulutuin ninyo, don't worry kasi meron sila itong vending machine where you can buy the food that you can cook. Aside from the vending machine, you can also drop by sa 7-Eleven which is walking distance lang from the Rakuten Stay. At doon nga kami bumili ng mga food items namin kasi kumpleto na doon from meat, rice, and everything that you need.
Good morning, guys! So, today, actually, ito na yung last day namin dito sa Hakone. So, we woke up early kasi we will walk going to Jinja Shrine para mag-picture lang doon sa Torii Gate na malapit sa water with the view of Mount Fuji. So, we have to walk there. Inagahan namin kasi alam ko mahaba lagi yung pila doon. Since it's just walking distance dito sa Rakuten stay, so alis kami na 6:30 ngayon para makarating kami doon. Like, ang mga 15-minute walk lang daw yun going to the Jinja Shrine. Dito kami sa first floor dumaan, so meron siyang way, ayan o, from Rakuten stay, may first floor entrance and exit siya. And then, dito na yung labas niya sa may lake shore, sa may lake side na siya. Lake Ashi. Ayun yung Mount Fuji, oh. So, we'll walk from here going to the shrine. So, I think this is the entrance na nung shrine. Dito kami papasok. Tapos, if you want to reach Jinja Shrine, haakyat ka pa. Pero if you want to reach the Torii Gate, bababa ka naman. So, dito kami. So guys, nakarating na kami dito sa may Jinja Shrine. So, pagka you want to go to Jinja Shrine, it's going up there. Have to climb the stairs. And then, if you want to take photo dito sa Torii Gate, dito naman siya, going downstairs naman. Yan. Yan. I think this is the last stairs na bababain papunta doon. Ayan, pagka madaming tao, ito yung line of na dapat nyong pilahan. Ayan guys, tapos na kami mag-picture doon sa may Torii Gate. Now, we're here now. We're going back to the hotel. So, now we're going back to the hotel. Naghanap kami ng ibang way. Dito na kami umakyat ulit dun sa may Jinja Shrine. Dito naman kami sa baba dadaan. Ayan yung pathway. Ayan, malapit na ulit kami sa aming hotel. Ayan yung pinanggalingan namin na Torii Gate. And that's Mount Fuji. Peaking na siya. Ang ganda na naman niya. Ito yung daan papunta sa aming hotel. Sobrang lapit na namin.
So now we're preparing our breakfast dito sa aming Rakuten stay. So bumili kami ng egg sa 7-Eleven para makapag-prepare kami ng breakfast today. Yan. Wala kaming asin guys. So alam nyo kung paano kami nagka-asin? Ito yung asin galing sa kinainan namin kahapon. Binalot namin siya. Ayan, oh. Tapos lalagyan ko na lang ng asin to, oh. Ayan, oh. Di may asin na.
Nalagay na ba to?
Tingnan mo kung mainit na, be. And ito yung aking assistant chef, Corto. Magluluto naman siya ng
Ayan, boss.
burger patty.
The location of the hotel is also amazing kasi just outside the hotel, Lake Ashina. And then just few walks away, yung station naman ng pirate sightseeing ship. And walking distance lang din ang Hakone Shrine and the famous Story Gate. Kaya naman we were able to explore Hakone in just one day. We stayed at Rakuten stay for 2 days and 3 nights, and ang naging total cost for us is 54,000 pesos for 4 adults. I know many of you will say na sobrang expensive naman. However, if you consider the view, the location, the comfort, and all the amenities in the stay, I think worth it naman siya. And you can also book this stay through Klook. I will share the link sa description box, and you can also use my discount code dito, KlookHeckle, to get additional 5% off.
Dito naman ang bus station ng Motohakone. So if you don't have ang tawag to, pamasahe, pwede kayong bumili ng single journey ticket dyan, or you can use your IC card. May iba't ibang mga bus na dumadaan dito, but the sasakyan namin going to Odawara is the bus letter H. Yan, sa number 1. Bus stop number 1. Tapos may iba't iba pa siyang mga bus stops dito. Yan. Tapos in this bus stop din, meron din ditong mga coin lockers. You can put your things kapag pupunta kayo dito sa mga location dito. Andyan na yung train, andyan na yung bus. Ayan na yung bus namin.
Overall, our stay at Rakuten stay Fuji-Mi Terrace Hakone Ashinoko was smooth, convenient, and very comfortable. With Hakone Pre-Pass and their easy check-in system, traveling and staying here felt stress-free. Kaya naman if you are also planning a Hakone getaway, this is a great choice. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video and I hope this is helpful for your next Hakone trip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and follow us in our social media accounts, Dashing Adventures, where adventure never ends. Till our next adventure, goodbye!